How do you know if your client has fluid imbalances? Well, when you're looking at your client's face, often they can be quite dark under their eyes. It might be blue, it might be black, and usually it's an indication that the kidneys are energetically struggling in some way. And actually, this darkness is one of the first things to clear up when you have the right herbs in place that support the kidneys. So you might notice dark bags under the eyes, maybe small pockets of fluid that tends to gather. You might notice that they're swollen where their rings should be or their watch should be. Now, the tongue may also be swollen and it can look like there's literally teeth marks down the side. And your client may also be experiencing a feeling of pressure in the bladder that isn't particularly relieved through urinating. They may complain of low backache. They may say that around the testicular area feels heavy, and maybe they are not actually sleeping all the way through without getting up to urinate. So these are the times that we need to support the client's kidneys. And the urinary system is this whole system that needs fluid, it needs support, but it also needs adequate herbs to help to tone it and cleanse it. So what herbs can we use? Well, goldenrod is a wonderful urinary antiseptic. It's also a diuretic. It means that the kidneys can actually excrete effectively. Now, this effect is called aquaretic, and it means it increases the volume and pressure of the urine. We can use things like cleavers. Cleavers is a wonderful lymphatic herb as well as being a diuretic, so it removes that puffiness and that swelling that can be around the tissues. We can also look at using uva ursi. This is a fantastic urinary disinfectant. So perfect when somebody has cystitis or any kind of urethritis, any kind of pain in fact. Now, many of our urinary herbs also have many other effects. So they can be demulcent, which means that it's nice and soothing and can calm any irritation. We can use parsley. Parsley also has a wonderful balancing effect on the bowel. It's also very good as a thyroactivator. Many of our herbs cover so many different categories and can be used for different reasons, but knowing how and when to use the herbs in the correct way is what makes you stand out as a practitioner. I would love for you to join us on the herbal course and learn how to bridge the gap between nutrition and herbs and how to use market formulas in a safe and effective way.